Welcome back, YouTube. We got another eBay purchase video. These are items I found on eBay for under 99 cents with free shipping. I believe all of these items were purchased off of auction this time around. So let's see what value I got for under 99 cents with free shipping. Also, too, all of these items I bought are USB type items. Let's start with what I got open. This was 60 cents. We got a blue generic, I guess. Generic? Yes. Blue braided USB to micro USB charge cord. Let's see how that works out. Nice and long. Plug that in here. Plug my tablet in. Going the right way. There we go. And my tablet's plugged in. Not charging because it's off my laptop. That's the way this goes. And actually it will charge it. It just says it's not, but it's on trickle charge. Okay, so that was 60 cents for nice big long USB cord. And it's almost as long as I am. Next item we got here. I got this for 50 cents. This, the laptop's not going to be used for. One bag inside of another bag. What do we get here for 50 cents? Alright, 50 cents and free shipping. I have, you can put it in your own car, hook it up to a battery. It's 12 volt to a pair of USB ports. And it says it will do 15 watts or about 3 amps output. So enough to charge your tablet and a smartphone. Add your own. Looks pretty nifty. That was 50 cents. Next item on the list. This was 35 cents. What do we got here? Rather chintzy little bag. Oh, this is a micro USB or micro SD card to USB 2.0. Little protective cap on there. It's got a little hole to put a lanyard on it. I don't have a micro USB to test with. Windows detects an item, so that's pretty cool. So that was 35 cents for that. Free shipping. And last but not least, got this package here. Alright. Okay. That was 2 of these. What? 2 of these for 30 cents? That doesn't make sense. Let's check it on my eBay. Come on, eBay. What do you got to say about this? That says 1 for 45 cents. That says 1 for 30 cents. Maybe that's both of them. Alright, well, it's a little USB light. Let's plug it in, see what we get. Ooh, that's not bad. That's pretty bright. Unfortunately for me, my USB ports are that way. That's pretty cool. For 30 cents plus free shipping. And or 45 cents plus free shipping. That is a pretty cool bargain. So, today, I got two little flexible USB lights. Pretty neat, pretty cool. LEDs. 30 cents and 45 cents. This is 30 cents. This was 50 cents. And this big wire here was 60 cents. Yeah, 60 cents. So, give me a thumbs up down below if you think these were a bargain. Leave a comment. Tell me which one of these items you think was the best deal for the value. Mind you, I got all of these cheaper than you pretty much can buy a stamp. No arguments there. Like, subscribe. Tell me which one you like. Thanks.